Ooh, make it good. I love her. That's my baby. Hey, if she gonna see this, just know, yo. Hey, L'Union Suite. My name is Witem. Today, I'm gonna share some of my faves. My favorite food is lala. We still friends. Yo, we gonna have to do this over. My favorite class in school was history. I don't know, for some reason, I was so good at it. I don't know why, but that was my favorite. My favorite childhood friend was Christopher. And I'm still friends with him now. I don't know why, but we're still friends. My favorite food is lala, okay? I love lala. My favorite alcoholic drink is Hennessy, but I'll drink something else just so that I can balance things off and stuff like that. But I love Henny. Ooh, make it good. I love her. That's my baby. Hey, if she gonna see this, just know, yo. My favorite athlete is Stephen Curry, because he actually make me like basketball. I don't like sport, but he actually make me watch basketball for the first time. Oh, my favorite non-Haitian female artist is, I was gonna say Beyonce, but everybody loves Beyonce so much. I feel like I'm in the same category as everybody else, so I gotta step out. Sorry, baby. So I'll go with Ashanti. Right? That's right. You feel me? Yeah. My favorite Haitian female artist, I'll go with Woodshell. I think she's dope. She's beautiful, and she know how to sing. I don't think anybody is better than her. That's a fact. My favorite compa song. Damn, I have like 3. Okay, but I'll name one. Richie. Qui chante la musique ça? Ça le fait sougain qui l'a. Yo, we gonna have to do this over. Ain't no way. Yeah, because Richie is actually my favorite compa artist. I love him. I look up to him. His swag. I remember when he was first coming out, people would say like, oh, he's gay because the type of clothes he would wear, and I thought it was cool, but other people would thought he's gay, and I like that. I kind of like that. That was dope. I go with the baby. Sheesh, it's a lot. This nigga is a clown. Hey yo, she's what's the one with no, the one with Megan Thee Stallion, the new one. He got Crybaby. Yes, Crybaby. Ooh. That's a big one right there. I love women, you know. I love everything about women, you know. They strong, beautiful, sexy. They can do anything, especially black women. I love black women. So my favorite thing about black women is their strength, their courage, their dedication, basically everything, especially black women. I gotta say that again. Yeah. First date, I go on a picnic. Ooh, you know? I bring flowers. I bring strawberries. I bring chicken because I love chicken. So I bring chicken, you feel me? And it's not too expensive and it's not too flashy. And I feel like it's a vibe. If it's a vibe, women's gonna love it. You know? Yeah. My favorite go-to apology gift is flowers.
Your favorite place to visit
and food. Oh, I wanna go to Thailand, man, but my passport not ready yet. I go to Thailand. Eh? Ou kwa mka di bagay sa de kamera? Nou baka di bagay sa de kamera, but nèg nou konnen. Nèg boy yo kapab jump, yo konnen. TV show. Papa Pierre. Yeah, that was a TV show. What are you talking about?
You can say that.
Papa Pierre, I love that show. You know? My favorite song by me. Oh, I love what I do, man. I have fun. I'm very passionate about what I do. I love what I do. I love the people I meet, you know. I love traveling. I love everything about it. I don't know. My favorite go-to when I'm stressed, I go to the beach and take a walk. I go to the studio and make music, express my feelings. And what else? Or I go to the homies. Favorite age? Ooh. Okay, I can say 18. This is the first time I ever got locked up. And it taught me a lot of lessons. It taught me like shit ain't sweet. I have to get my shit together. It taught me a lot of things. That was like 5 days after I turned 18, then I got locked up. So they treat me like I was a grown man. So I ain't like that. So that was really amazing. It wasn't, yeah, it was. It taught me a lot of things. I wanna go to a lot of places in Haiti. I wanna go to Labadie because I ain't never been there. I heard it's beautiful. I wanna go to Jacmel. I wanna go back to my country in Mont Saint Nicolas. Yeah, I need to go to my country in Mont Saint Nicolas. It's beautiful. Y'all just don't know. My favorite between texting and calling. You can text me first before you call me, so I can know who is about to call me because I don't save numbers. But I love texting. I love texting because, you know, I can text like 3-4 people at the same time. Then calling, you know. But if it's important, then I would have to call. Top 3 songs in my playlist is Bois. The first one is Bois by me, Baki and Picris, and I have Yo Pa Konnen by Trouble Boy and Baki. I have Me La Fessan by Méchanceté. My top 5 Haitian rappers are most definitely Baki. No, Baki comes second. It's Fanto, Baki, Trouble Boy, and who else? PIC is nice, and who else? And myself. He don't count. He don't count. I'm nicer than him. Let him know that. That's my boy. My favorite part of the day is morning. I wake up early. I wake up 6 in the morning. It doesn't matter if I go to sleep 5 in the morning. I have to wake up at 6 because I love waking up in the morning. I don't know, drink coffee. You know, I feel like when you wake up early, you get to start your day perfectly fine. Then I'll go back to sleep probably like around 1 o'clock, but I have to wake up early every day. So I say morning. Top 3 artists I would like to work with is Woodshell, I would like to work with this one dope Haitian artist I know. Her name is Candy. I don't know if y'all know about her. She's dope. And then I'll go with Niska. She's nice. Who else? I don't know. The top 5 things I cannot live without: my phone, food, sex, money, and sheesh, I don't think I got a 5th thing. I don't know. Music! Ooh! I love music. That's my baby. Oh, that should have come first. Can I do that over?
We also forgot family and friends. No, you can't.
I don't care about these niggas like that. Listen, all right, let's do that over. Let's do
I
that
hope
over.
you drove.
Huh?
I hope you drove.
They did.
No, I don't want that over. I like it like that.
You sure?
I like it just like
Oh,
that.
man.
Just like
All
that.
right. Whoa. Okay, I say music. My favorite word is music. I love music. Music is my therapy. Music is my first love. Music makes me feel good. I love music. My favorite performance was in New York. And then I played a new song that nobody heard before and everybody went crazy. I loved it. My word is my bond. Top 3 things I learned from the pandemic: like, anybody can start a business. Like, everybody got a hustler in them. And things can go from left to crazy at any time.